Hey guys, what's going on? Daniel here. Now, as you can see, I have a box here. Now, I do have some parts that I did order the other day, and let's get straight into it. Jeez, not bad. I have a couple parts. I've got some fuel additives, spark plugs, fuel, oil filter, fuel filter, AC filter. I've got a lot of filters and all sorts of stuff. I just wanted to thank Elliot from K's and Car Parts. I did pay for everything myself, but I think he threw in a couple of things for me as well, so I do appreciate that. So thanks for that. So we do have quite a few parts, as you can see. And I also have another box with some other stuff that I'm thinking of doing a giveaway with, but I'll see what happens. I'll let you know at a later date. So that's what this box is for. As you can see, I've got some windscreen washer additive. That's good there. Just a air freshener, same thing, air freshener, just in a spray bottle. Upper engine clean. I've never used this before. So I'm interested to see how this works and what happens from that. So I'm interested to see that. Once again, you got some fuel additive. Once again, I've never used this stuff before, so not sure how it works. So I'm sure I'll figure that one out. Got some spark plugs here as well. NGK spark plugs. I haven't changed the spark plugs before, so all these stuff I haven't really done before, so it's gonna be fun, interesting. You guys are gonna learn, I'm gonna learn. So we've got that, we've got oil, I hope that's not broken now, but we've got an oil filter, and we've got a washer as well, I believe, for the bolt, for the drain bolt. What else do we have? We have a fuel filter. So that's good to have, I think. We have here, what's this? Oh, there we go. We've got air cleaner. So why don't we open this up? Well, I'll show you what we have here. What's this? This is some filter. So I don't know if that's for the stock airbox, but we'll have a look. So let's get stuff sorted. Got my knife here. I don't need anything. So I'm guessing this is for the airbox. This is for the air filter. I'm pretty sure. Yep. So that's for the stock one. I don't need it because I have an aftermarket intake. So that's alright. That's there. I don't know what I'll do with this. I might give it away, or I'm not sure yet. We'll figure that out. This one here, I'm hoping is the air cabin. It's the AC filter, because that's what I got, paid for anyway, so let's figure that out. Let's hope that's right. And yes, I know I need to get a knife. I got one, but it's just in my car and I can't be bothered getting it. Okay. So this is the AC, the air conditioning filter. It's the, what do they call it? It's the cabin filter, so that's what that is. So that's going to be interesting to install. Once again, I haven't done any of this stuff before, so that's going to be a fun process. And here's the fuel filter. Oof, beautiful. Does it open? Not sure. It doesn't open. So that so that's it there. Got the fuel filter there. And this is all for my year model as well. So I'm gonna put these all in a video. I'll do a couple in one video or whatever it is. I'm not sure how I'm gonna edit it yet. I've got quite a few parts that I need to install. I'm not too sure how I'm gonna edit all these videos. If I'm gonna do a couple in a video or one separate. I guess you'll just have to wait and find out. So I hope you guys are excited for that. Please let me know which one you want me to do first. I ordered these parts because since I'm stuck at home, I can't really go anywhere because everything that's going on in the world, we're in lockdown. So I think this is going to be perfect to do some stuff at home. Like I said, I haven't done these things before myself, so it's going to be fun for me to learn as well. I know it's simple stuff, but the fuel filter is going to be a bit complicated, I think. So hopefully it's going to be fun. So I'm sure you guys will learn something as well. Maybe if I do it wrong, you'll know what to do, what not to do. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Subscribe as well, so you stay up to date with the future videos that I put in this and also other content as well. And if you like today's video, make sure to hit the like button down below and comment as well of what you think I should do first. Now, actually, what I'm going to be doing is just going to be putting that the cabin air filter, replacing that, because from those parts that I just got, may as well throw it into the video as well, just so there's a bit more context to it. And since it's so simple, we can throw that in as well. So I want to get into that, so let's just see how that goes. Alrighty, let's see how this... I think we have to take this inner part out, so let's get started with that. That's not good. One more inside. There's a couple screws missing, obviously from the previous owner. That must have lost it. A lot of plugs, and this is for the stereo. That's what that cable's for. This one here, a lot of crap in there. Like I said, it's been smelling pretty bad, so hopefully this, it looks sturdy, like, so you know what, well, it feels actually worth it. These clips. I just put a flat bit in there. Push that down. Yeah, just put it in there, push down, and it comes open. It just pops off. Oh. It looks bad. it come out? Oh yeah. Oh. Jesus. If that isn't bad. Oh my God. No wonder it smells bad. This. Look at that. If that isn't bad. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that dust. Jeez. Oh my God. Look at it. It is caked. Absolutely caked. Let's get that new one in. Let's get this one out. Oof. Let's open this one up and get that sorted. And it's out. Jeez, look at that. Brand new. And this one's slightly used. Look at that. All that dust. That is horrendous. Now, let's put a new one in. Yo. Put that in. How did that? I think you might go like that. Let's put that in. Let's have a look. Yeah. So let's put that in. Like that. There we go. That's better. Oof. Much better now. This plate in here. And those go up. Going on. Ah, there we go. Ah, much better. Now time to put the this cover back in. Alright. I'm sort of glad that the other one's dirty because it was. Now at least we know why it smelled so bad. Alright, so let's put this back. This one there. This one on the side. Let's put this one back in. They're all the same screws as well, which is good. So you can't get them mixed up. This one back here. This one up here. I think there's been a couple missing. Well, I know that. There's been a couple that are missing. So that's not good. Oh, there was one that fell in here as well, that's right. But, besides that, yeah, so there was a couple missing beforehand, which isn't good. Obviously just enough to keep it in position, I guess. Two missing, two screws missing. So at least we know that that's sorted and it's done. So that was so bad, that old one. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little quick install as well of this horrible air filter. Make sure to change that. As you can see, this has 180,000 kilometers on it. So make sure to change it because that is actually horrible. I wouldn't think it'd be that bad, but it definitely is. So make sure you guys change it. It's cheap as well, so definitely it's worth it for sure. Now, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe as well for future content, and also comment down below what you think of today's video.